IELTS speaking topic number 3. Hometown. Question. Where is your hometown?
Respond this way.
My hometown is on the southeast coast of Northern Ireland. It's called Dundrum and it's about 1 hour south of the capital city. Question. What do you like about it? Respond as, it's an area of outstanding natural beauty and, for me, one of the most beautiful places on earth. It has everything: fantastic beaches, rolling mountains, dense forests, and picturesque countryside.
Question. What do you not like about it?
Make an answer like this. It can be a little bit boring because it's really tiny. There are only a few small shops and a couple of pubs, and that's it. In the summer, it's okay because you can enjoy the outdoors, but it would be nice to have a few more indoor facilities for the winter.
Question. How often do you visit your hometown?
Reply in this way, not as much as I should. I only visit about once a year to see my family because I'm really busy with work and it's quite far away, but I hope to visit more in the future. Question. What's the oldest part of your hometown? Give a reply like, there is an old Norman castle that sits on top of the highest hill in the town. It's a ruin now, but there are some breathtaking views from it, and it's easy to see why they chose that site for a castle because you can see for miles around.
Question. Do many people visit your town?
Respond like this, thousands of tourists visit every summer. They mostly come from the capital city to get away from the hustle and bustle and enjoy the peace and quiet. More and more international tourists are visiting because many scenes from the TV show Game of Thrones were shot just outside the village.
Question. Is there any way your hometown could be made better?
Make answer this way. As I said before, the best thing about the town is its rural beauty. You can't improve that. If I had to say something, it would be to improve the roads. They are in a terrible state and cause a few car accidents every year.
Question. How has your hometown changed over the years?
Reply. Since I was a child, the town has almost doubled in size and population. It used to consist of just one main street, but now there are many new housing developments and apartments next to the water. All these new people moving in, it has changed the town's character a little bit. People are not as friendly as before.
Are there good transportation links to your town? Your response should be, the public transport system consists of just buses that pass through the town on an hourly basis. One bus goes north to the capital city, which is really convenient if you need to do any shopping, and the other bus goes south, where you can switch buses and go across the border to the Republic of Ireland. So you could say we have international transport links, which are not bad for a little town like ours. Question. Would you recommend the town to people with children?
Answer, yes and no. It is obviously a great place to bring up kids because there are so many things for them to do, like swim in the sea, play in the forest, and run on the beach. However, the good schools are pretty far away, and I remember having to get up really early every morning to catch a bus to school that was 20 miles away. The next part of this course will be uploaded soon. To get all the updates, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching the video.